Hey there boys and girls, how you guys doing? My name is V, and today we'll be talking about the verb to have. Woo! Woohoo! Ooh. Now, the verb to has two forms when it is used in the present tense. These forms are have and has. Have is used when the subject is I, you, or a plural noun like we and they. For example, I have black eyes. You have a pet dog. We have went there before. They have already finished their breakfast. Has is used when the subject is a singular noun, such as he, she, and it. For example, he has black eyes. She has a pink dress. It has not arrived yet. Those are the present forms of the verb to have. Now, let's take a look at its past form. Had. The past tense is easier because there is one form. This means that no matter the subject, we use had for everything. For example, if it is a singular subject, he had already went home. She had some water just now. It had eaten its food earlier. For plural subjects, we had some water just now. They had finished practicing an hour ago. As you can see, there is no difference, so it should be easy to remember. Yay! And with that, we are done with today's lesson. Yay! I will see you guys real soon. Have a nice day. Peace.